across vast landscapes carpeted with endless green grass. Flocks of merino sheep roam freely under soft sunlight. This is where the journey of one of the world's warmest and most luxurious jackets begins. Every shearling jacket carries the breath of nature, shaped by climate, vegetation, and the daily rhythm of the sheep living here. All of these elements combine to create a quality that no synthetic material can replicate. Merino wool is regarded as one of the softest and finest natural fibers on Earth. Its natural curl, excellent insulation, and ultrafine fiber structure help trap warmth close to the body. These unique characteristics make merino the ideal breed for shearling. To ensure the fleece reaches perfect condition, the sheep are carefully monitored. Farmers regularly check the wool's thickness, natural oils, curl structure, and the overall health of the skin. Every tiny detail affects the final quality of the shearling, including softness, durability, and visual appeal. When the sheep reach maturity and the fleece has thickened to the ideal level, the hides are collected during the meat processing stage. This marks the beginning of a long and intricate journey, where modern technology and traditional craftsmanship unite. The raw hides are cleaned immediately. The fleshing machine removes residual tissue and fat, creating a smooth, clean surface ready for the next stages. It is a crucial step to prevent damage during the tanning process. The hides are laid flat and covered with coarse sea salt, a natural preservation method used for centuries. The salt prevents bacterial growth and keeps the hide fresh before it reaches the tannery. At the tannery, the hides are soaked in huge water tanks for 8 to 24 hours. This restores their natural moisture and washes away any remaining salt. This step transforms raw hides into durable, usable material inside massive rotating drums. The hides are treated with chrome tanning chemicals or natural vegetable tannins. Chrome tanning delivers softness and durability, while vegetable tanning offers a classic look with more natural character. This process defines the leather's flexibility, strength, moisture resistance, and overall longevity. The wool is kept intact, but thoroughly washed with warm water and gentle detergents. All dirt, oils, and impurities are removed, revealing its naturally soft texture. Brushing machines fluff and align the fibers, enhancing the signature curl and softness of high-grade shearling. For certain shearling styles, the wool is dyed using natural or safe chemical pigments to achieve unique colors. The leather surface is dyed manually or with spray systems to create a rich, consistent finish. The hides are stretched on frames to maintain perfect flatness, then dried to lock in their shape. A protective, water-resistant coating is applied to enhance durability and lifespan. Design teams create precise patterns censoring each piece of leather fits the intended jacket shape. The shearling panels are stitched with thick durable seams using heavy-duty sewing machine. Curved sections like collars and sleeves are hand-stitched with precision and craftsmanship. Zippers, leather straps, and metal hardware are added, giving the jacket its iconic rugged aesthetic. Experts inspect every seam and every panel of leather, ensuring not a single flaw goes unnoticed. The wool is brushed one final time to achieve perfect fluff and smoothness. Each jacket is placed into a premium garment bag, fully protected before shipment. In cold winter conditions, the shearling jacket reveals its true strength: warm, lightweight, durable, and undeniably luxurious.